kitchen was oak, country, 4x4 white tiles, 4x4 green tiles, with a couple of roosters thrown in for good measure. Now, as you can see, it's got a rustic but modern Colorado design to it. They have a bead board in them to add a little texture to them. The backsplash goes all the way up and is a 1-inch glass mosaic tile, and it adds a real sparkle to this room. This island is 11 feet long with 2 levels. Again, my clients were very tall. We have copper sinks on the request of the client, a living bronze finished faucet. This granite, I chose to do the edges all in a rustic broken look, but they polished them just enough so it wouldn't snag your clothes if you were standing close. I designed the rain chute, copper again. Again, I'm talking about all of these natural materials, organic materials throughout the house. Over here, I did a blackboard magnetic wall on the pantry of the kitchen, and my client really wanted that space to show off kid drawings and notes and, you know, the whole magnet thing. After all, it is a family that lives here. Notice the industrial lighting up here? It looks great. Throughout the home, we've added hand-hewn walnut floors. I think they turned out really well. They're all over the house. They're one of the most beautiful parts of this home, and they add such a warm feeling to it. It's one of my clients' favorite things.